KC9VKV, quick question from N1ORW.
Sierra Hotel Mike.
Hotel Mike, stand by just a moment. Other station with a quick question?
Yes, the call is November 1, Ocean Radio Whiskey. Name is Carl, Charlie Alpha Radio London, located in the state of Connecticut, Charlie Tango. Just a quick question, John. I don't know why your call is coming up to somebody else on QRZ. Keeps coming up to with somebody named James in New Albany, Indiana. What am I missing?
You're missing my name. My name is that, Jim. Roger?
Oh, okay, you're in Indiana.
Exactly. We're just across the river from Louisville, Kentucky. We're 3 miles away from downtown Louisville on the Indiana side of the Ohio River. Roger, Roger?
Roger, Jim. Okay, very good. I missed something. I must have heard you refer to Milford, Pennsylvania, and I just couldn't add it up. But thanks for filling me.
Station frequency seniors.
A1 Victor Kilo Victor N1ORW.
Roger. We were talking about the Milford PA SDR. We usually run 4 internet SDR receivers in addition to our 2 10-foot vertical magnetic loops. We usually are monitoring Milford, PA, Rochester, New York, Atlanta, Georgia, and Alexandria, Virginia. And we do that so some of our 100-watt friends might sound just a tad louder being picked up on an SDR receiver closer to them. Roger?
Roger, Jim. Okay, very good. Nice job. We'll have to stop in here and give you a listen more often. KC9VKV N1ORW. Good night.
Good night, sir. 3s. And the other station, go ahead.